My name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. And today we're going to create the ultimate in scalable hanging bin storage. Alright, so as a shop owner, you're always looking for the most economical, versatile solutions to your problems. So am I. Most of the time I try to figure out how to make it on my own. But this time I was stumbling around the internet and woo, did I find something awesome. I was over on garagejournal.com. I think I just kind of linked in there somehow. I found this post by RSLA Back that actually describes a method of hanging these little bad boys up that is particularly amazing because of how strong it is and how cheap it is. Okay, all we're going to need today is a little 1x3, and here's the cool part. This is ultimately scalable. Okay, you can do half of this. You can do 10 times this. In my store right now, I'm working on putting 3 84-inch sections up right now, right above my seat. Okay, it's amazing. So we need the little 1x3. We're going to need a wall standard, and normally you see these things like this. They're on the wall, and you kind of hang little hangers on them and stuff. But we're going to do this reverse. We're going to put it up. Now let's go ahead and change the camera here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, you can see here it's just sitting on top, and what's cool about these, you'll notice right here there's these holes that are already in. You know, I know some of you guys are thinking, Justin, dude, I'll just get some angle iron and throw it on there, no big deal. But at that point you're drilling holes. We're trying to make sure this is as easy and off the shelf as possible, while again being as economic as possible. Okay, so it's exactly the right size. We've got our little holes in it. Okay, now you're thinking, well, how are we going to balance this thing out and make it nice and even? Well, that's kind of cool. We can actually take the bins here. This is actually kind of cool. I was just fiddling with it a second ago and realized this. And you can see here, now it's nice and even. Okay, and you guys can see this is actually a really good holder, very, very stable. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take, you can either do this with a hand screwdriver, this is super, super easy, or you can do this with a little power drill, no big deal. We're just gonna do it with the power drill today. I'm gonna go ahead and there we go, we got one in. Slide it down here. We're going to put the second one in, and we're only going to put 3 in, okay? So, you know, if you blink, you're going to miss this video today. And then we got one more. Like I said, all this is a little wall standard and then a 1x3. Actually, I don't even think this is a 1x3. This might be like a 0.75. Right. Looks like we're actually done here. Like, that was it. You know, you're always looking for really easy, really simple solutions to stuff, but you know, and I'm always trying to think, you know, how can I stretch it out a little bit? How can I, give more information about the subject? But this one is so easy and so cheap. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We got them all on there now. Just take it, put some screws in it, mount it into your wall. I mean, it's not really going anywhere. How about that? Hanging storage bin holders for like $3 a piece. That's amazing. And then you can just go online, get yourself a huge package of these things. I think sometimes you can find, 24, 25 packs or something like that for, like 15, 20 bucks sometimes on some of the cheaper websites, and you're going to be good to go. I think a lot of times the biggest, expense when it comes to these hanging bins is actually setting up the whole thing so that you can hang them up. So anyway, I hope you learned something today. I hope this is going to help you out in your shop, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget, guys, if you're interested in any of the tools I use, check out the description below. I even have my own custom tools that I sell down there as well that literally do not exist anywhere else on the planet except from The Art of Repair. I also have a Patreon where you can help support the channel so I can create even better, high quality content.